winter. Winter is coming. It is so cold in winter, and snow covers the ground. Change the out. It's very cold in winter. I need to wear heavy clothes. Yeah, it's so warm. Remember to apply the facial cream before going out in winter. We can go out and play. Build snowmen. It's snowing! It's snowing! Let's build a snowman. Let's make the base of a snowman with a pile of snow. The snow is freezing cold. Put on gloves to prevent frostbite. Wow! Let's roll the snowball. Let's roll the snowball. Which kind of decoration should we choose? Enjoy hot. It's so cold in winter. The hot spring is warm. Let's have a hot spring bath for relaxing.
Kids should enjoy hot springs with their parents for safety concerns.
Can you help me make a towel wrap?
Don't worry, Mommy has prepared delicious hot spring egg for Mew Mew. Hot spring egg is cooked in hot spring water.
It's so comfortable to enjoy hot springs in winter.
Right, but you cannot stay in the hot spring for too long.
Make hot soup. It's so cold in winter. Have some hot soup to warm yourself. There are so many ingredients. Let's showcase our cooking skills. Corn. Potato. Chinese cabbage. Salt. Pepper. Pepper. Soy sauce. Wow! The delicious hot soup is ready!